Okay, Rua do Alvito 68 is the place that I bought. Let's get in and have a preliminary tour of what's happening in there. Come in. Welcome to the living room. Feel free to look around. This is the first room of the house and what's gonna be the living room with the sofa. I imagine the sofa, the television, and yeah, probably this wall is gonna be painted over. It's quite a big space, especially if maybe we knock down this wall and make it to a unique living room joined with a kitchen. And the entire apartment is 45 square meters. I'm gonna show you all of it. Let's go to the second room. Exactly here it's going to be the kitchen and the table. Need to check again the project on what we're going to do, and there's a lot of work to do. If you point at the ceiling, all these have to be reinforced, and there's the ceiling constructed, so there's a lot of work to do. Hopefully we're going to get it in 3 months. Here is the bathroom. We're gonna show it later. Let's go to the bedroom. This is the place we call the cave. But for me it's fine because I don't like too bright bedrooms. This is gonna become the bedroom. This wall I'm gonna knock it off and just make it into a unique bedroom. Probably here there's going to be the bed without the wall, and in this area where it's more cavey it's going to be like closet and storage room. Now going here, this is the dark bathroom. I'm just showing you because I hope it's gonna look better in a couple of months. But now it's straight from the horror movie. Like, it's exactly how I picture an horror movie. Let's get to a brighter room. What's gonna be our living room? As you can see, it's quite bright, even if it's a cave.
Yeah, I really love that you can walk right out to the street, and this street outside is actually quite wide, so you get a feeling of horizon when you walk outside. And actually, if you buy a bicycle or you want to store anything in here, it's really easy to just come right in. You don't walk past any other neighbors, you just bring your stuff inside. So that's a real benefit, and right now it's actually quite hot outside, but it feels quite comfortable in here, hence the cave-like